Building a 5 by 8 lambda vertical antenna is a classic project for radio amateurs looking for a low angle of radiation, which is excellent for DX, long distance communication. Unlike a standard quarter lambda vertical, this design provides about 1.5 to 3 dB of gain, though it requires a matching network because its natural impedance is not 50 ohms. The physical length of the radiator element is the most critical part. To calculate the length in meters, use the formula L is equal to 300 divided by F frequency into 0.625, that is the 5 by 8, and into velocity factor, usually 0.95 to 0.97 for aluminum tubing or wire. As an example, for 20 meters, the answer works out to be 12.54 meter at 14.2 megahertz. 5 by 8 lambda antenna is non-resonant and presents a high capacitive reactance at the base. To make it work with your coax, you must cancel the capacitance with an inductor coil in series at the base. Connect a coil between the antenna element and the center conductor of your coax. The shield of the coax goes to the ground or radials. Tap the coax center conductor a few turns up from the ground to find the 50 ohms point. For a vertical antenna to perform efficiently, it needs a mirror or a counterpoise. At ground level, use at least 16 to 32 radials, the more the better, buried slightly or laid on the grass. If mounting on a pole, that is an elevated mounting of a 5 by 8 lambda antenna, use at least 4 tuned 1/4 lambda radials. That will be 5.02 meter for 20 meter band, sloping downwards at a 45-degree angle. That will be difficult to implement for a 20 meter band 5 by 8 lambda antenna. Use telescoping aluminum tubing for rigidity. If it's a wire antenna, hang it from a tall tree or a fiberglass pole. Ensure the bottom of the radiator element is insulated from the ground or the mounting mast. 8 to 10 turns of 12 AWG enameled copper wire on a 2-inch PVC pipe gives around 2 microhenry of inductance. Use an SWR meter or antenna analyzer for tuning. Adjust the coil to find the lowest SWR. Tap can be at 3 turns to start with. Change the tap position about half a turn each tuning step. A thick crocodile clip can be used for checking, and once the best SWR is found, the tap can be soldered in place. If the SWR is still high, slightly adjusting the physical length of the radiator may be needed.